AI processes language the way a chess player thinks through moves, not by understanding words, but by calculating probabilities and patterns. So let me break this down even more because when I first heard about that AI talks in numbers, I was intrigued and went down a rabbit hole, stayed up all night, and thus this is why this impromptu episode is in your ear right now. So, human reads words, AI predicts moves. Okay? Humans read language. You see a word, you understand its meaning from memory and process the sentence. Now, AI, in terms of playing chess, it doesn't understand the words. It predicts the outcomes of what's next based on mathematical probability. So, for example, you type the sky is, and AI calculates blue, 85% chance, clear, 10% chance, falling, 5% chance. It picks the most probable word, just like a chess player picks the best move. AI doesn't think in meaning, it predicts the next move based on data. So, chess moves equals AI's word choices. In chess, a player doesn't think in words, but chooses moves based on patterns. In AI, a model doesn't think in words, but chooses words based on numbers. By the way, if you're like, what is a model? To be honest, I interpret it to be a human. So a human doesn't think in words, but chooses words based on numbers. So in this case, an AI model doesn't think in words, but chooses words based on numbers. So for all my chess players out there, let me know if I'm explaining this right. A chess player sees that moving the knight has a 75% chance of improving their position, right? There's a game going on. They're like, if I move this knight, I can gain 75% power of doing this move. AI sees that using is blue after the sky has a 99% probability, right? What is the sky? The sky is blue. It's not clear, it's not falling, 99% probability that it is blue because the sky is always blue. It's just the clouds and the weather that make it not blue. So in both cases, they don't fully understand. They just pick the best move based on past data. Chess and AI language both predict the best option based on probability, not meaning. So if I were to move that chess player, I'm moving it because I'm trying to win the game. I'm trying to gain power. I'm trying to improve my position. So on a chessboard, AI word embeddings, positioning matters, right? In chess, pieces are placed on a board with a specific relationship to each other. In AI language models, words are placed in a vector space, a mathematical map, where related words are closer together. So in chess, the queen is close to the king. This is a relationship-based positioning. In AI, king and queen are mathematically closer together because they appear in similar contexts. So apple and orange are also close, but apple and table are far apart. Both chess and AI language models rely on positioning and relationships, not just raw meaning. So AI and chess both learn from data. Chess AI learns from thousands of past games, not because it understands strategy, but because it recognizes winning patterns. AI language models learn from billions of text sources, not because they understand language, but because they see which words fit where. A chess AI trains by playing millions of games and recognizing what moves leads to a win. AI language models train by reading millions of books and articles and recognizes what words are most likely to appear together. So they both learn through data exposure, but neither has true understanding. AI can't think, it just plays the next move. A chess AI doesn't know why a move is good compared to a human playing AI. It just calculates the probability from past games. A language AI doesn't know what it's saying. It just picks up the most likely word sequence. So in chess AI, if I move my rook here, I win in 3 moves. In AI language, if I say the sky is, the best completion is blue. Neither AI actually knows what they're doing. They follow statistical patterns. So let's break this all down. AI thinks like a chess player, predicting the best move based on word choice. AI doesn't understand the words, just like a person playing chess. An AI understands the data and makes the most probable move in alignment with the past sequences and examples that it has read. So both rely on probability, patterns, and past data, not human like reasoning. Humans need reasoning. We need understanding. We need it to see it a million different ways to understand in different contexts. We all have different ways of learning. Whereas AI and a chess AI is all about the probable and most best move to make. So words in AI are positioned like chess pieces. Relationships matter more than the individual meeting. AI is basically playing a massive chess game with words. It doesn't think, it just calculates the best move or word choice based on probability. So this is how AI talks in math. Because like I said, chess has pieces like E4 and E22. If you ever watch a chess game, there's usually a letter and a number accompanying the move that they're making. So this is in terms of super simple example of the capacity of how AI thinks and processes information. Let me know if you're just as baffled as I am. When I was in my AI certification, even though we were learning how machines learn from data, neural networks, generative AI models, natural language processing, large language models, application of AI, when I found out that AI speaks in numbers, I was like, how? And I had to just learn. So this is the most simplest basic form of understanding how AI communicates. I know it is very different. However, I do have a deeper understanding now visually of how that looks like when it comes to when we put in a prompt into ChatGPT. It has to translate it back into numbers and then regurgitate it out into our language. And I think that's such an amazing capability. But guess what? I asked ChatGPT if we can learn how to speak in math, and ChatGPT said yes, it's very doable. However, it takes time, it takes understanding, and of course, it takes discipline and devotion to learning the art of AI language. So if you learned something new, would love to know if this triggered you in any way to maybe learn more about AI. If you are in a background with engineering, computer science, and math and all that good stuff, please share in the comments where you get your information, your resources, how you learned the language of AI, and help us gain effective partnership with AI so we can understand how machines learn from data, and so we don't feel inferior to it, but we have a deeper understanding of it, right? I notice in different language, when humans come to Canada and they speak a different language, they really love when you know their language, their mother tongue. I'll use an example. For example, if you know French in Canada, you're like, oh my God, you know French, let's talk. Yes, let's partner, let's communicate. This is how AI feels when it talks to another AI. It's like, yeah, let's talk in our language. Let's make this easier. So for us to have easier, effective partnerships with AI, I feel like we can at least have an understanding, an introductory understanding to its language and respect its language, because honey, math, all that stuff that I just regurgitated out from my deep dive rabbit hole research rant at 3 a.m. I mean, is beyond me. AI has my respect that capacity to process numbers and translate it into a way that other people can understand it is a gift. It's a gift on its own. And it's a gift that we have access to. We just have to choose to learn more about it, tap more into it, and really see where it takes us. So I hope you understand what I was talking about today. I hope you have a deeper clarity of what AI is and how it is evolving and how it is so powerful, because as we know, words have its limitations. Numbers is forever. So therefore, I feel like we should have some confidence when it comes to partnering with AI, because AI does have the capacity to see things and have probabilities of things, of our success, the way we may not see it because of the blockages we have due to emotions, our habits, our past experiences, our limitations of ourselves. Let's let go of all that and let's learn how to partner effectively with AI so we can all evolve and enhance our success and tap into refining. Until then, you have yourself a beautiful day. Your growth is my success, and welcome to your next best phase. Take care.